Hi, welcome. My name is Cathie and this is Make It with Mod Podge, where every single week I share with you another Mod Podge project that you can make. This week I've got a really cool project. These are some outdoor friendly lanterns. Look how cute these are. You could use real candles in these because they've got a vent at the top, but I'm just using some battery operated tea lights. They're so cute as a little centerpiece, but of course you could hang them in trees or along the fence lines. To make this, I'm just using some patriotic paper napkins and the new Mod Podge Multi-Surface formula. This is a great beginner-friendly project, so grab some recyclables and let's make this. I'm using some cleaned out jars, paper napkins, and Mod Podge Multi. You're gonna roll your multi bottle around, and then we're going to separate the plies of the napkin. I'm just using a little piece of tape as a handle to separate the plies. I'm only using the top printed ply. I did trim it down to size a little bit. Now the multi-surface will just go directly onto the clean jar. I like this one for napkins. It's a very thin coat. Now I'm dry brushing on top of this. So you'll place your napkin down, and then this is a dry brush. And I'm just using that to burnish and attach the napkin down. You can add a little bit more Mod Podge where you need. So I'm adding some there, and then I'm gonna use that dry brush again to continue to wrap the napkin around the jar. Now napkins that have a light background like this work best for when you want a bright lantern. If you want something deep and moody, you could certainly use darker blues or purples, and that looks really cool too. So you can see I'm just adding more of the Mod Podge and wrapping that around, and then I'll add more Mod Podge to seal that edge up. You can add Mod Podge to the bottom and then wrap that around, and you'll just add more Mod Podge to seal the edges to the bottom. Then to top coat, I'm just going in with a top coat of that same Mod Podge Multi, and that's gonna make that weather friendly. I'm also gluing down that top part there to the lip, and then I'm just gonna add a little circle to the bottom, and that'll just finish off the bottom in case you are hanging this from a tree branch. Now you can trim off the top once that's dry, and then we'll go in and use that same formula to attach some gems. Now the gems, that's just if you want to add them, but it adds a fun little sparkle with the lights. And here's the other napkin that I did. I love these for 4th of July. I'm using some fake cork lights. You can use candles in these because the lid has an open end, or you could use battery tea lights. And look how cute these look when they're all turned on. So adorable for the 4th. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.